So I'm going to be comparing two different lipsticks. The first one is this Avon Red Supreme one. That's it there. And I'll do a little swatch. There you go. And then I'm going to be comparing it with MAC, which is this one here. And that's in Ruby Woo. So they are so similar. So this is the MAC one at the top and then the Avon one here. The only difference is the MAC actual lipstick is a bit thinner, so it's easier to apply. So I've started off lining my lips with this Deep Plum Glimmer Stick from Avon. That's it there, and it's just a twist up, so you don't need a sharpener. It's a really pretty colour. I'm first of all going to go in with the Avon Red Supreme. So I'll just show you the colour and then I'll show you the MAC. So this is Ruby Woo. So they are quite similar. In colour, but they go on a lot more similar. I'm gonna put that down a bit. Oh, I've just rubbed it against it. So this colour goes on so smooth. And then I'm going to put the MAC on top. So the MAC one is a little more tuggier. The liner I've got on is a bit dark, but I don't have a red one. Would you be able to tell that that's two different lipsticks? I absolutely love it. So they're both really pretty. So the MAC one, that's it here. In this little tub. That's the MAC one here, this little compact. And then the Avon one. So the Avon one comes in a MAC case. They are actually quite similar in the style of them. And then you've got Red Supreme and the Ruby Woo. They are so similar in colour, I can't believe it. They're really similar in the formula as well. So I'm going to try with this Ultra Glazed Wear Gloss from Avon. And see if they move. I would not be able to tell that that's two lipsticks. Oh, and I've got it on my teeth. So that's it there. Let me know what you think. Did you see differences or did you find them really similar? And I'm really happy with the results. For me, I got this for $5.50, and then I think this one was about 16, possibly 14 to 16 pounds. I would much rather get 3 of these than just get one of these. They come in so many different colours and they're so pretty, so smooth. I also found I had quite dry lips and you can't really see it coming through. So I'm so happy with that. So you've got the Avon on the bottom lip and then the MAC on the top. I'm going to try and see if it rubs off easy. And then I'll try, so that's what's came off. I'll try the MAC. It'll come off easier because I've put the gloss on. Oh, maybe that's because it's the top lip. I feel like that came off a lot easier. I'll put more pressure on the bottom. There we go. So for two completely different lipsticks, I think they do the exact same job. I'm going to have lipstick all over my face now. So I'm just going to show you a few other matte ones that Avon have got. So they've got an Adoring Love, which is a nice pink one. So that's the Adoring Love, that one there. And they all come in the matte cases, which is nice. They also have this Absolute Coral, which is that one there. That one's so pretty. They also have Pure Pink. This one's a pastel-y one. It's quite a nude pink. They also have Posh Petal. This one is so pretty. That's it there, that's quite a crap swatch. I'll put one up here. That's it there. I think that one would be quite nice on darker skin. And then this one, which I absolutely love, that's Wild Cherry. So pretty, this one's so dark. And this one is really matte. Do you see it? It's so dark. So that's all the colours that I have, apart from that's the MAC one. They've got so many different ones. I would definitely recommend trying them. You can get them for as cheap as $5.50. For a lipstick, that's really good, and on a night out I'll lose quite a lot of mine. So it makes you feel less guilty when you lose one that's $5.50 rather than one that's cost more than £10. So that's my little Avon matte collection. Let me know if you liked this video. And let me know what you thought about the differences. Did you see how they were similar? Did you find them different? Have you tried these ones? Just write in the comment section below. I would be grateful if you could subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye!